Hi everyone, welcome back to Mama's Nook for another DIY craft video. If you're new to my channel, I invite you to subscribe and click the bell to be notified when I post a new video. Today's video is in support of Pride Month. Materials will include a shadow box frame, a lei, some popsicle sticks, paint, and this is all from Dollar Tree, some wood blanks from Michaels, some printed images, brooch pins, pre-cut and weeded vinyl, Mod Podge, paintbrush, plastic wrap, and large safety pin. Other things will include a printer, my Cricut, heat press, hot glue, acetone, parchment paper, and a heat gun. Let's get started. Now I've already pre-printed the images that I'm going to be using, but I'm going to head over to Design Space now and show you how I created these. So I've opened Design Space. I am going to import a graphic, add some text, and create a print and cut. Let's go. So first we will upload the graphic, and I have saved it to my desktop. Hit continue. Scroll down, change the color tolerance to 100. This will vary depending on the design that you're working with. And just take out the white. Now I'm going to erase this. Hit continue. Scroll down and choose flat graphic. Continue again. And upload. Okay. And as you can see, it has uploaded as a print then cut, which is what we want. So I'll just set that aside for a moment. I'm going to grab a circle. And the wood cuts that I'm using are 3 inches, so I'll change it to 3. And I'm going to leave it this color for now, just so I can see what it is that I'm putting on here. Size this down. Now I'm going to add some text. And I'm just going to leave it as the default. I'm going to do this all in caps. Double click. And I'm going to do it in separate lines rather than having to change it after. Okay. Now I'm going to change the font size down to 50. What this does is keep all the lines the same height, regardless of how you change them, rather than, well, let me show you, rather than doing this. If I wanted to make this smaller, you can see that this line size, this is now 0.39 inches tall, where these are 0.56. So I'll go back and undo that. and change it to 50. Okay. Now I want to curve this text, which is why I did it in lines instead of all one piece. So I'll just curve it a bit. And I want to center these horizontally. Group, change to black. And now we need to resize to fit our circle. Center horizontally. Nope. Let's do it by eye. Bring our little hand in here. Bring it to the front. A little bit smaller. Now this we can center horizontally. Okay, now we need to change this to white. Otherwise that gray would print. Select all of it and choose flatten. Then we send this to the printer and cut it on the Cricut, and it will print with the words and this hand, and then it will just cut a circle. Nothing will print in the background. I'll see you back at the table to finish it up. Okay, we're going to take these printed images and we are going to attach them to the wood circles. So I'm applying a layer of Mod Podge. And we want this to dry, so I'm going to speed this up using a heat gun. Doesn't have to be completely dry. I'm going to bring in a pressing mat here. And I'm going to put design on top. plastic wrap. Just put some parchment paper underneath it because I don't want it to stick to my pressing mat. Another piece of parchment paper on top, and press. You could do this with a regular iron as well, just don't use steam. You could also use Mod Podge to do the sealing on top rather than the plastic wrap if you choose. I just thought since these are going to be badge buttons, the plastic wrap would hold up better in case of rain. And then you just take a piece of sandpaper and just roughly go around the edges to clean them up and push. Okay. And now I have these stick-on brooch pins. And we just apply them to the back. Okay, next I have some colored clothespins, and I needed a pink, white, and blue, which I couldn't find in colored, so I painted 3 popsicle sticks, blue, white, and pink. And I have 2 that I have cut down smaller. Okay, so I'm going to glue these popsicle sticks together. So turn them over. And just give me 1 second while I get one more stick. So I have a decal that I have pre-cut, and it says all places should be safe places. And I'm just going to place that here on the side. Take my large safety pin. And we'll take some twine. And just glue it on the back. a cute little hanging. And for my last piece, I'm going to use this shutterbox frame, and I'll remove the back. And I'm going to use this lei. Now, I give warning, I thought these were pom-poms. They are pom-poms, but they are not attached pom-poms. This is all just loose fluff. So you want to be careful if you want to use them in one piece. Okay, so I'm going to carefully hold the entire thing. And I want to place that in here. You see, they were attached and I had these plastic things in between them. Back her back on. I don't have them going in the right order. You have to do it in reverse when you're doing it from the back. And I just broke off the tag, or the hanger I mean, so I'll have to attach a hanger. Now I'm going to give the glass a clean with some acetone. And I have a decal that says, "Be the you you've always been, proudly." I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, I ask that you please give it a like. I would really appreciate your support. Until next time, bye for now.